Good morning. Today we are going to do circle, which is included in applied mathematics syllabus in class 11 course. We are not doing it for competitive examination like JEE or IIT or other examinations, but the concept which we learn today will help you to understand circle for applied math syllabus in class 11. Obviously, the syllabus given in applied maths is applicable to the other branches of like economics, commerce, all those things. So we learn accordingly. What is circle? What is the equation of circle? And some simple problem based on circle we are going to determine. What is a circle? Circle can be considered as locus of a point. Again, what is locus of a point? Locus of a point is the path traced out by a point under given condition. Like if a point moves in such a manner that its distance from a fixed line is always a constant, then what kind of locus you observe? That you must have seen in case of straight line. If a point moves parallel to x-axis, then the locus is a straight line parallel to x-axis, and if its equation is, if its distance from x-axis is k, then this part remain invariant. So locus of the point, this is the locus. If the point moves on it in such a way that its distance, perpendicular distance from x-axis will remain k only, and its equation you have seen as y equal to k. Now, if somebody has told you what is the locus of a point which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point always remain the same, like this. Which one is fixed point here? This one is the fixed point, and the point moving in this two-dimensional plane, in the plane of paper, in such a way that the distance remain constant. Okay? Then the locus of the point will be a circle. Obviously, the diagram I have drawn is not perfect one. This one is a circle. In this diagram, there is a fixed point which can be referred as center, and the point moving on the circumference. So the locus, the path traced out by this point, is a circle provided every point on this circumference is at the same distance from the center. That is called a radius. So here locus is a circle. Locus is a circle. How to get this locus? It is the path traced out by a point. We take an arbitrary position here, xy. It is moving in such a way that its distance everywhere from the point C is equal to a constant, which is equal to radius. The fixed point we have taken here is called center of the circle, and the distance is the radius of the circle. Okay? Now, we are going to find the equation of this circle. The circle drawn over there, it has an equation. What will be the equation? Any equation in two-dimensional plane has x and y as variable. That we have seen in case of straight line. Straight line equation is what? Ax plus by equal to c. So xy always there. In the equation of any curve in two dimension, there will be two variables x and y. So circle equation also contain two variables x and y. But in what form? Obviously it is not in this form. This is general equation of straight line, which is actually the equation in two variables and they are all first degree term. In case of circle, we will not get the first degree terms only, we will get some second degree term also. Now to get the locus or the equation of this circle, we need to take two things. What are those two things that I already mentioned? You need to know its radius, you need to know its center. Then its equation can be determined. To find its equation, we take the point which is moving in two-dimensional plane as x, y, and the fixed point which we have taken as center be x1, y1. Okay? So this point pxy is the movable point. What do you mean? This is an arbitrary position. What do you mean? That point P, when it moves on the circumference, at every point on the circumference, the point has same distance from the center, which is equal to r. Okay? By remembering this fact, let us derive the equation of circle whose center is x1, y1. Center x1, y1 and radius is equal to r. What will be the equation of this circle? So this pxy is an arbitrary position of the movable point. We put Cp is equal to r. Center to this point P, distance is equal to r. So there will be x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. I am using distance formula. C to P distance. What will be the distance here? You can get it by distance formula. This is equal to r. R is the radius of circle. Now we want the simplified form of it, that is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to r square. Alright, this is now equation of circle whose center is x1, y1 and radius r. You all understand? So if we try to solve a problem here which is based on this formula, then we will take center as an arbitrary point. Not center, center cannot be an arbitrary point. Center is a fixed point always. And the radius is given. Radius is equal to say 10 unit and center is 2, 1. Only these two informations will tell you the equation of circle by using this point. So you will be taking the movable point as xy and then put center to P, distance is equal to 10. Therefore, under root x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 10. So, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus y1, this you could have written in the first step only, because this will be like formula for you now. If center x1, y1 and radius r, the equation will be like this. So, the equation we got here is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 10 square. Let us simplify it. It will be x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to 100. You can write this as x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 95 equal to 0. So in circle equation, what are the terms you are observing here? It contains x square, y square, it contains x and y, the first degree term. It contains a constant also. Okay? So equation of circle will be of this form. This is not general form. This is a particular equation of circle whose center is at 2, 1 and radius equal to 10. Now, the general equation of circle will be in what form? This is the first equation, first formula we have learned in circle. We can write another formula which is very useful and it will be easier for you to remember if center be at 0, 0. Primarily we are taking center at 0, 0. Like there may be circle like this. Center is at 0, 0 and radius is equal to r. Then what will be the equation? You replace x1 y1 by 0, 0. So equation of circle in this case which center 0, 0 and radius r is given by x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square. That is x square plus y square equal to r square. So this is going to be the equation of circle whose center is at 0, 0 and radius is equal to r. There is no difference between these two. Here center specified as 0, 0 and in this general form center specified as x1. Maybe any point like 2, 1, like 3 minus 2 like that. Okay. So this you can write as formula 1 part B. This you can write formula 1 part A whose center x1 y1 and radius r equation is given by this form. Okay. So this is one formula which you can mention as center radius form of a circle. Center is given, radius is given. This is the most simplified equation. The equation of circle going to be like this. But when we have expanded it, see, we have expanded. We have taken one example, center 2, 1 and radius 10. And on expansion of the left hand side, I mean by squaring two sides, we are getting x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 95 equal to 0. This concept will tell us about general equation of a circle. Okay? We need not know center and radius. Just by observing this, we are going to state the general equation of circle. What is that? General equation going to be of the form in symmetry with this. There is no contradiction that this form and general equation is separate. No, it's not like that. Just we are rewriting x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is general equation of circle. Why we have taken this as general equation, that I have explained. In the previous sum, we have taken center as 2, 1, radius 10, we got this. But center 2, 1 and radius 10 may not be the case always. So, general equation will be writing this way. Okay. Now the problem is, center and radius you can see here x1, y1 and r. But what is the center and radius for this circle? Let us find it. And we will be taking the help of this form only. Once the equation of circle is of this form, then its center is, you all can see what is the center here. If the circle is of this form, center is x1, y1 and radius equal to r. So let us express the general equation of circle in terms of that x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to r square, to state the center and radius just by looking at the equation given. Okay. So we go by method of completing square to find center and radius. We write this as x square 2g into x, adding g square here, y square 2fy, adding f square here, equal to this g square and f square we have added here, so we must add on the right side, and and this plus c we transfer on right side. So what do you get? It is x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square equal to alright. So this equation I have expressed in this form. What is the center here? Center x1 y1 and radius equal to r. Are you getting the same thing here? Apparently no, it seems like that, but we actually have got. I am trying to express this equation in this form. How to? We write x minus minus g whole square plus y minus minus f whole square equal to g square plus f square minus c whole square. Now go for comparison with this equation. What will be center here? Like in place of x1, what is there? Minus g. And in place of y1, what is there? Minus f. In place of radius r, what is there? Root over g square plus f square minus c. So all these are clear. If the circle equation given this manner, then center going to be minus g minus f and radius are going to be under root g square plus f square minus c. Let us find one immediate application of this form. This general equation of circle, this is actually form 2. This is form 2, and regarding form 2, two informations you got. Whenever circle is of this form, center going to be minus g minus f and radius root over g square plus f square minus c. Let us apply for one problem like say x square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y minus 17 equal to 0. What is the center and radius of this circle? Whenever a problem arises in this form, we will compare with x square y square 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. You just compare these two. What do you get on comparison? So comparing these two equations, we get 2g equal to minus 2 and 2f equal to minus 8. So g minus 1 and f minus 4. And c going to be what? Minus 17. So what is the center here? Center going to be minus g minus f and radius is g square plus f square minus c, that is minus 17. So this is 17 plus 17 root 34 is the radius. You got the center, you got the radius. From where? By seeing the equation in this form. Okay. So this is the application of the second form of circle, from where if the equation given that form, we can get the center and radius quickly. There is another advantage of it, which is bit conceptual. Equation of circle, we have started with this x square y square 2gx 2fy plus c. You need to know the value of g, f and c. If somehow the value of g given to you, f given to you, c given to you, equation of circle you can write very fast. Center and radius. It is by formula now, minus g minus f is the center and radius is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. And another thing you must know, this equation of circle shows that to get the equation, we need to know three constants, three unknown terms over there, that is G, F and C. Sometimes conditions will be given to get the values of G, F and C. Suppose you find the equation of circle passing through this point. 3 points are given. So those points you will put gradually, you will get 3 equations on G, F and C and solve them to substitute here to get the equation of circle. That's all about general equation of circle, but many different kind of problem may be asked that will be doing. Let us know the third form of circle. Different forms of circles I wanted to discuss with you today. The two forms, that is center radius form done, and this thing that general equation of circle is done. There is another very convenient form of a circle. That form I am taking as form 3, where we will be finding the equation of circle whose extremities of diameter are given. Let us take a little bit help of technology, because distorted circle I must not draw. So circle I am drawing here. This is a circle. This circle has extremities of a diameter which are known to you. Then you can get the equation of circle. Suppose this is the diameter O, and this is one extremity, this is the other extremity. These 2 points are given, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Question is, what is the equation of circle? If 2 extremities are given this manner, x1, y1 and x2, y2, what is going to be the equation of circle? We are going to use to get the equation of circle, which already we have discussed in class 9 syllabus. That is, angle in a semicircle is a right angle. And we have seen that circle is the locus of a point which moves in such a way that distance from fixed point is always a constant. We have taken arbitrary point to derive center radius form, and we have derived the equation. Same manner, we are going to establish the equation in diameter form. We can refer this one as diameter form of circle. So what were the other forms? Just we have studied. One is center radius form and the other one is general equation of circle. Here is diameter. The extremities of a diameter given. What is the equation of circle? What we are doing there, we are joining these two first. Okay. Now AB is a diameter. All of you know, if AB is a diameter, angle in semicircle, right angle, this is going to be equal to 90 degree. To get the equation of circle, we will be using the fact now. What is the fact here? That slope of AP and slope of BP is equal to minus 1. You all should agree, because these two lines are perpendicular. What is slope of AP? This is y minus y1 by x minus x1. What is slope of BP? It is y minus y2 by x minus x2. Therefore, you cross multiply. Y minus y1 minus of x minus 1, x minus x2. And if we take the term on right side to left side, then you get the simplified form. That is x minus x1, x minus x2, y minus y1, y minus y2 equal to 0. Okay. So if you are given the extremities of diameter as 3 minus 1 and 4, 2, what is the equation of circle? You can get it quickly. You can get it by using the previous two formula also, that you think today how to get by using those two formula. But I am using the form just one, that is x minus x1 into, what is x1 here? 3. What is x2 here? 4. y1 minus 1 and y2 4. y2 2. So x minus 3 into x minus 4 plus y plus 1 into y minus 2 equal to 0. So required equation is x square minus 7x plus 12 y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle which you can get easily, quickly, nicely by using the diameter form of circle. So these are just simple sums based on the formula we got. These three formula will be enough to learn circle in applied mathematics syllabus. But sometimes if we keep some extra information in our mind, then the problem solving will be easier for us. That we'll discuss in next session. Thank you.